In today's video, I'm going to be going over 8 stretches that you can do in 10 minutes to relieve back pain. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Todd Sullivan. I'm a chiropractor who specializes in treating chronic pain and sports injuries. One common question I get for patients is, what stretches and exercises can I do at home to relieve back pain? Here are the 8 stretches I recommend to patients to relieve back pain. The first exercise we're going to perform to relieve lower back pain is a posterior pelvic tilt. To perform a posterior pelvic tilt, we're going to lay on our back with our knees bent up. What we're going to do, put your hands on your lower abdomen area. From this position, we're going to rotate our pelvis back, and we're going to hold that for 5 seconds. You essentially want to flatten your lower back against the ground. Hold that for 5 seconds, and then come back to start position. We want to perform this for 10 times and for 2 sets, so a total of 20 repetitions. The key is we want to flatten our lower back against the floor, and we want to hold that position for 5 seconds. What this is going to do, it's going to help stretch out your lower back and to help activate your core. To perform the lumbar twist, we're going to lay on our back, we're going to bend our legs up and feet flat on the ground. Put your feet together and knees together. From this position, we're going to bring our knees up towards our chest so that it's in a 90-degree angle. Nice and slowly, you're going to twist to the left side, going as far as you feel comfortable, and now you're going to go to the right side, and then back to the left. We're going to perform this 10 times total, going back and forth on each side. And as far as you feel comfortable, you can twist. Some people are going to be able to go further than others. It all depends on your mobility in your lower back, but this is a great way to stretch out your lower back and to relieve the lower back pain. To perform the glute stretch laying down, we're going to bend our right leg up. We're going to extend our left leg onto the floor. Now we're going to bring our right knee up towards our chest, but bring it towards your opposite shoulder. From this position, holding onto your knee, you're going to hold that position for 30 seconds, and then you're going to relax down. We're going to perform this 2 to 3 times on each hip. You should feel a very good stretch in your glute area and into the lower back. Again, you want to go as far as you feel comfortable, but you should feel a good stretch in your glute. And you want to hold that for 30 seconds. Repeat this 2 to 3 times on each leg. The fourth exercise we're going to perform to relieve lower back pain is a piriformis stretch. Laying on your back, what we're going to do is we're going to bend our legs up, and we're going to put our knees into a 90-degree angle. We're going to cross our right leg over our left. From this position, you're going to bring your left knee up toward your chest. Use your left hand to support your left leg. Now we're going to take our right hand and push our knee away from our chest, and you should feel a good stretch in that right piriformis as you're pushing that leg away. You want to hold this position for 30 seconds. Repeat this 2 to 3 times on each leg. To perform a 90-90 stretch, for the right side, we're going to bring our leg out in front of us and have a 90-degree angle with our leg. Our left leg, we're going to bring it back behind us, and we're going to put that in a 90-degree angle. Now, what we're going to do is put our arms out to our sides, supporting our upper body, keeping your back very straight, chest tall, hinging from your hips. You're going to lean forward towards your right leg. You're going to hold this position for 10 seconds, and then you're going to go back to the starting position. We want to do this for 10 repetitions on each hip. So again, the keys with this exercise, keeping your chest tall, back very straight, hinging from your hips, lean into it as far as you feel comfortable. If you start to round your lower back, you're losing the stretch, and so it means you're going too far. So come back to a position that you feel comfortable where you can keep your back in a nice straight position. To perform a seated hamstring stretch, we're going to sit right on the edge of our seat. We're going to extend our left leg straight out. Keeping your back very straight, chest tall. From your hips, you're going to lean forward, keeping your back very straight as you lean forward, and you should feel a good stretch in your hamstring on your left side. Perform this stretch 2 to 3 times on each leg, holding each stretch position for 30 seconds. To perform a deeper hip flexor stretch, we're going to perform what they call a couch stretch. To perform a couch stretch, what we're going to do is we're going to get on our knees in front of a couch or a chair. And now to perform the stretch on the left side, what we're going to do is we're going to put our left foot up onto the chair or couch. So go ahead and put your left foot up onto the chair. And what you're going to do to get in that position, you're going to lower your upper body forward and then support yourself with your arms. From this position, we're going to bring our right leg forward into that lunge position. From this position, slowly work your way up so you're in a nice straight position from here. Now from this position, you'll already start to feel a really deep stretch into your quad. To enhance the stretch, you're going to squeeze your glutes, and you're going to hold this position for 30 seconds on each leg. Perform this 2 to 3 times. To perform the seated piriformis stretch, what we're going to do is we're going to scoot right to the edge of the seat, so our sit bones are right on the edge. Next, we're going to cross our right leg over our left. From this position, maintaining a very straight back, what we're going to do is we're going to hinge from our hips forward, take it to the point where you feel a really good stretch in your piriformis. Hold that for 30 seconds on each leg. Perform this 2 to 3 times. The key with this exercise is to keep your back very straight, chest tall, and you should feel a good stretch. If you start to round your lower back, you're going to lose the stretch and lose the effectiveness of it. So again, just go as far as you feel comfortable, maintaining a straight back as you lean forward. And again, hold this for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each leg.